Another thing na napansin ko din yesterday, January 16, naglabas po ang Department of Tourism that they are giving a 14-day visa to all Chinese nationals or Chinese citizen sa Pilipinas. And the government is touting that this is for boosting tourism, and this is a people to people exchange daw po. Yun ang sa kanilang statement about this. How do you how do you feel about this? Knowing that we have tension with the Chinese people, we have issues about some of the Chinese people who came in, especially the Pogo issue, yung mga, sabi nila, mga intel, yung sinabi ni Pampilo Lacson before na, working for the Chinese government. How do you feel about this? Is it right timing, right purpose? All of it. What do you think?
Yung 14 day, alam mo naluding ako. Hindi ko narinig yung were you asking about the ano, yung 14 day
14-day free visa.
free visa? Um, Alam mo, it's not a matter of yung gaano katagal ano, it's a high risk, high reward policies. It can boost tourism, but it also requires strong security measures. Kasi, you know, hindi naman siya automatically na masama. Pero kailangan magaling din ang mga ahensya natin na ma-manage yung mga risk. Ewan ko lang kung we're at that point na magaling na talaga tayo. Kasi during Duterte's time, alam mo yan, he put Chinese nationals in yung Coast Guard Auxiliary. Do you remember that? He actually put Chinese nationals. Can you imagine that? Like the amount of information. Kaya pala, alam nila kung kailan magre-restock ang ating ang ating Coast Guard, kailan.
Sandatang lakas.
So
Mhm.
first of all, will it really boost tourism? Posible. I mean, we all know na hindi naman kasi may nag-react nun nung sinabi ko na, nag-down talaga ang tourism under Frasco. Hindi ko sinabi na nag-zero, pero under Frasco, it really went down.
Mhm.
Parang talagang I'm so proud of the natural resources that we have na parang hindi ko maintindihan na bakit ayaw magpunta ng siguro meron ding, part na yung mga tao sinasabi it's not safe, whatever. Pero parang kulang yung ginagawa ni Frasco. Parang nasobrahan siguro yung pag-advertise ng sarili niya. Siguro nasobrahan yung malas niya sa asawa niya. Anyway, 'pag inisip mo 14 days ba may time na yung mga incheck na mag-espiya. Siyempre kung may intention talagang mag-espiya 'yan, 14 days is more than enough kasi marami naman silang kagamitan.
Totoo po.
It's just I guess what I'm saying is if we have the ability to monitor and vet these people, go for it. Kasi if we really want the money from tourism, kaya lang I know it's yung parang
Yes,
has thought of this. I'd say let's trust his wisdom on this. 'Pag
risky.
pumalpak, isa isa din ako sa babatikos.